In this video, how to get money off my Cash App without bank account. I will show you step by step how to withdraw money from Cash App without a bank account. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Log into your account using your email or phone number. After logging in, check your available balance on the home screen. One way to withdraw money is by using the Cash App card. If you already have the Cash App card, you can use it to withdraw cash from an ATM. Go to an ATM that accepts Visa cards. Insert the Cash App card into the ATM. Enter your card PIN. Choose the withdrawal option and enter the desired amount. Confirm the transaction to receive the cash. Another option is sending the balance to a trusted friend. Send the amount to someone you trust. They can withdraw the money and give it to you. You can also use the Cash App balance for online purchases. The balance works anywhere Visa cards are accepted. If you do not have a Cash App card yet, tap the Card tab. Request the card by following the instructions in the app. After receiving the card, you can withdraw money easily. This is how you can get money from Cash App without a bank account.